What's up, you guys? What's going on? It's your boy Blaine. We're here back with another video. So today we're gonna be opening up a package that we got in the mail that we have been waiting for a while now. It's gonna be another piece of the puzzle for this car right here. So you wanna grab the package, babe?
Yeah.
Show them what we got.
Right in here. These one two sides? Yeah. Well, they're super thin. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh.
These are gonna be metal flares. So we're actually gonna go ahead and test fit these on the car. We wanted to go for the more JDM look than go for the more bolt-on approach. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to try and use these flares. These are 2.5-inch flares, I believe. They're metal flares. They're universal. The reason why we went with metal flares is because they're a lot more durable than fiberglass. But worst comes to worst, we'll just cut these flares off and throw it over fender over in. So it's not that bad, and they're actually really cheap. I think for the full set, it was like 120 bucks for 4 of them. So hopefully these fit and hopefully these work out. We're gonna go ahead and see right now if they will fit on the car.
Kind of like this.
So the way you want it is you want to make this edge line up together.
Like this.
Yeah. So something like that. And then have it like pressed against here.
They don't really have a lip yet. They're like a small lip.
Yeah, it's fine though.
Yeah. Yeah, because it has enough lip where the wheel can sit right here, yeah? Okay.
Double check.
Huh?
Well, never mind. Be perfect with yours.
Let me see.
I mean, we just squeeze
Yeah.
it out a little. Perfect.
That's gonna be perfect. Oh yeah. The emits look so good.
Okay, Kristine's about to cut her perfectly fine fenders on her Zenki.
I'm pretty nervous.
You are?
Yeah.
I'll be pretty nervous too. These fenders are immaculate. There's nothing wrong with them.
There's actually no dent inside the whole car.
Oh, don't break this. Huh? Wow. Good job. Okay, watch out. Mom's gonna cut this, okay?
This car's body is so straight.
Just go for it. It's all you, so you know.
I didn't think this day would come this soon. No turning back already.
Yeah, it's already cut.
Oh my gosh!
It's done.
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
You just cut your perfectly good Fender. Damn. Look at all that clearance now, though.
Oh, this looks so dank.
Okay.
First one is off. Babe.
Now we need to put the flare on there and see how we like it. If we like it at all.
It better look good. I don't even know. Because I don't know what we're doing if it don't look good.
Like,
just put it back.
can't put it back.
Can't put it back, yeah.
No, it is missing a whole lot. So now I'm gonna grind it to bare metal on places that I want to tack, and then get the welder out, tack it in place. Again, this would be a lot better if we had wheels that we were gonna put on the car, like ready to go. That way we could adjust and go from there. But we're just gonna pretty much just get a rough draft about where we want it. We're just gonna tack it into place. That way we get a rough idea. And then as soon as we get tires and wheels and stuff, then we'll go ahead and put it in its final position. We do have these Euro lines that we do have these SSRs for SSRs that we can run on the car. But for now, I think we're just gonna go ahead and run it not at all. We're gonna just leave it in the garage. To be right?
Yeah.
It looks good. Should I just weld it on here?
No, maybe we should try to fit a wheel first and then we can see.
The tacks might break off. Ah, no, we can fit a wheel. Without camber, it's like perfect. Like fender to lip. Maybe like another 5 mil, it could be right outside the lip.
So the car is eventually going to be bagged, but since we have some extra bags laying around, we're going to go ahead and try to see if they fit on top of these coilovers.
Fast.
Oh damn. Oh, how do you know which one is the front?
Because there's only one. The front's the only one that goes back over coil.
Oh. So the bags don't fit, but it's okay. Blaine took off the spring so that way we can check for clearance to see how the wheel looks and we can jack it up all the way.
It's gonna need to be spaced out.
Oh yeah. for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys haven't caught your jet tags yet, make sure you guys do so in the description below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.